Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and in today's Cryptoquant video we will talk about how to use Cryptoquant. Cryptoquant is an on-chain analysis tool and it helps you make sound trading decisions by reading the on-chain data. So what is an on-chain data, right? So on-chain data refers to all the blockchain activity. As you know, the blockchain ledger is public, so you can analyze different data and see the patterns that are forming. For example, what is the relation between exchange inflows and the price? When the inflows happen, why the price falls? Does it always fall? These kind of things you can observe from Cryptoquant and its on-chain data. So in today's video, we will talk about how to see this data, how to find the correlations, and how to use the Cryptoquant tool. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Let's start the video. So to start using Cryptoquant, you need to go to cryptoquant.com and click on start for free. Here you need to sign up and create an account. Once you have done that, you will come to this screen and here you can see some top dashboard and trending ideas. So on dashboard side, you can see different dashboard created by other users, and you can also create your own dashboard here. We'll talk about this later. First, let's go to the charts. So on chart side, you can see different on-chain charts for different coins. You can select the coin you are interested in here. There is a very huge selection of coins. Most of the top coins are included here. So we'll start with Bitcoin and we'll see how it works. So let's click on summary. If you are not into chart reading and you don't want to derive some complicated results, you can just take an overlook in the summary view. And in here, you can see that there is exchange data, on-chain data, sentiment data, minor derivatives, and technical data. So it tells you different things, but if you don't know what these metrics means, just look at red and green and yellow, and this tells you the overall effect on the market. So if there is green, it means it's positive for the market. If it's red, it means negative for the market. Again, these metrics don't guarantee that the price will move a desired way, but this can be used combined with your own analysis and can give you a more accurate result. So for example, let's talk about exchange reserve. So it shows that it's green. It means that reserves has decreased and lower selling pressure is there. What that means is that the reserve on exchanges, the Bitcoin on exchange, is very low right now. That means a lot of people are not looking to sell. They have moved it to their ledger or any other hardware wallet. Similarly, you can look at exchange net flows. So how is the net flow? Net flow is basically inflow minus outflow equals to net flow. So if it shows red, it means that it's not good for the market. Similarly, you can see the funding rates, that it's green. It means a lot of people are long right now, and so on. For everything, there are explainers. You can click on the I button and get the explanation on what this thing is, and you can look more closely at this data by clicking on charts. So let's look at exchange flows. So first of all, let's look at exchange reserves, and here you can see a correlating chart between the price of Bitcoin and exchange reserves. So whenever the exchange reserves are high, we see that the price is low. That means whenever we see a cross between exchange reserves and price, the market falls. So whenever exchange reserve increases, it means a lot of people have started to sell, and vice versa. So here we can see that the exchange reserve increased, so the price fell. When the market was at top, the exchange reserve were very low. And similarly, when the price started falling, we saw that exchange reserve took over the price. And here we can see that the market reserved when the exchange reserve fell below the price. So in this way, you can derive conclusions based on this chart. Similarly, there are a lot of charts and you can derive different conclusions from this chart. For example, there's a chart for price, exchange net flow out, and exchange net flow in chart, and you can see the price, how it was affected by these. So whenever a lot of people take out the crypto from exchange, we see the price starts rising. And in this way, this will help you make a sound decision along with your technical analysis skills. Similarly, we have other indicators also. We can see the bank flows, fund data, market indicators, etc. Similarly, you can do it for Ethereum also. So for example, for Ethereum, we can see exchange reserves here. Here you can see Ethereum and exchange reserve don't have that much of a correlation because a lot of Ethereum was staked before the Ethereum merge. Now, if you don't know how to use this data, you can just click on insights, and here you will see a lot of people writing articles based on the on-chain data, and you can read this data and see how they are deriving their conclusions and learn from them. For example, if we take this article here, they have a Bitcoin UTXO realized price age distribution analysis, and they have written their analysis here and how it affects the price they have concluded. So you can use this and learn to do this analysis more. Now go back to analytics and you can see different dashboards. For example, there is Abraham chart writing a Binance Reserve dashboard here, and you can see the free chart already here, and they have basically collected all the charts at one place which they think will affect the market depending on the topic of the dashboard. So here we have Binance Reserve for a lot of coins. We have all stable coins, we have all Ethereum, and so on. So it basically shows us how Binance's reserve affect the market price of any crypto. So they have modified it for a certain time period for July and August. So in this way, you can create your own dashboard for the relevant data. For example, you are targeting a certain ecosystem, you can just create a dashboard for that. And in this way, you can use Cryptoquant to make your own trading decisions, and you can use it for on-chain analysis and derive your own conclusions. If you don't know how to use it, you can just look at insights and figure out how people are deriving their conclusions. You can backtest the historical data and see how it has affected the market price, so on. So this was a quick overview of Cryptoquant. I hope you learned how to use Cryptoquant and you are not scared to look at the on-chain data now. Of course, you will need to use it yourself, know actually how it works, derive your own conclusions, but hope the video helps. Make sure to hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.